Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos about statistics. So today we discuss what is mutually exclusive events. If two events A and B of a single experiment are said to be mutually exclusive or disjoint. Disjoint is the other name of mutually exclusive events only if they cannot both occur at the same time. In other words, we can say that there is no point in common. No point in common between the event A and B of single experiment. We understand this concept with the help of example. Here is example 1. Our experiment is tossing a coin. As you know, tossing a coin have two results, head or tail. And sample space is the set of outcomes. So this set consists of head and tail. This is the sample space of the experiment tossing a coin. So at the same time, when you toss a coin, you got answer either head or tail. You cannot get both at the same time. So there is nothing common. So this event is mutually exclusive event because occurrence of at the same time only one event occur. Here is the example rolling a die. As you know, when we roll a die, we have 6 results 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these 6 numbers are the outcome of this experiment rolling a die. So this is the sample space. Sample space is the set of outcomes. So this is the sample space. And our task is to get either odd numbers or even number. So in this experiment, either odd numbers or even numbers, there is nothing in common because when odd numbers come, there is no chance to get even number, and in the case of occurrence of any even number, there is no chance to get odd number. So there is nothing in common between these two numbers because odd numbers are 1, 3 and 5 and even numbers are a set of 2, 4 and 6. So this event is mutually exclusive event because there is nothing in common between two events. In example 3, our experiment is playing cards. As you know, for playing cards, we have the 4 types of cards, and each type consists of 13 cards: heart, diamond, spades and club. And these two are red color and these two are black color. So total number of outcomes are 1 to 52 cards because each category has 13 cards. So total number of our question is, card drawn is king or queen. So as you know, in whole 52 cards we have 4 king of heart, king of diamond, king of spades and king of club. Similarly we have 4 queens, but there is nothing in common. So this event is mutually exclusive event. Not mutually exclusive event. If there is something common in two events A and B, we have two events of a single experiment, but there is something common between two events. So this will be the case of not mutually exclusive events. We understand this concept with the help of example. Here is example 1. Occurrence of events either king or spades of playing card. So suppose this is A event of king and this is B event of spades card. So as you know, king is common in spades card, and this king is also the member of set of all kings of the cards. So this card is common. So this is not mutually exclusive event, because here is the something is common, which is this card. Example 2, suppose 16 people studying French, 21 study the Spanish. The total number of students are 30. Suppose A event represent French and event represent Spanish. So A is 16 and B is 21. If we add these two numbers A plus B, the total we got the answer 37. But the total number of student is 30. So if we add these students in Spanish French class is 16 and in Spanish class is 21, it means there is something common. 7 students are studying both French and Spanish. So these common students count here in this class of French, and these students, same students also count in this class of French. So 16 represent French and 21 represents Spanish. We represent for commonality represented by B. So this portion, there is some students who sit in French class, and these students also sit in Spanish class. So this event is not mutually exclusive. In next lecture, we solve their theorems of mutually exclusive events by addition law, and solve their practical questions. Thanks for watching.